Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial we're gonna look at how to mirror videos using Capcut PC. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've got a video on the timeline right here on Capcut. Now let's click on the video. Once you click on the video, on this tab you will find lots of options, which among them is mirror. The icon for mirroring a video is something like this, that's like two triangles. If you click on it, your video will be mirrored. In case you do not find this option, there is another way to mirror your video as well. Right click on your video that is on the timeline and let's go to edit. On the edit, there are lots of edit options available, that is freeze, reverse, mirror, rotate and crop ratio. For now we want to mirror our video, so let us select this option and left click. And there you have it guys. That's how you mirror your video in Capcut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.